Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be unboxing two mystery tackle boxes. I'll go first. So in this one, hold on. Thing being a little difficult. Alright. So first, we have little crankbait. Let's go. That's really nice. Next we have, not really sure what this is. I'm assuming it's another crankbait. I'm not 100% sure. We got a little spinner right here. Very nice. Trying to plain. We got a little red dots on it. Then we have these little curly tails, chartreuse. Then we have some trout worms, very nice. Then we have these, what is this called? Crappie snack. Alright, this is pretty nice. Alright. Oh, almost forgot the sticker. Nice little designs.
Hey guys, time for me to go. Okay, so I got some trout worms.
I'll do this.
No. So I got some pink trout worms, and I got some color changing baits.
I've never heard of those actually.
I got some of these crappie glow colors. This nice mini crankbait too. And these little like swim baits-ish. They're really cool.
I've never seen them before.
For a sticker, we got this like really cool design too.
Cowboy bass. Alright, and that's it for today's video.
I give a 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 for me too.
24 hours security guard, bitch, I'm big time. I got more than one main bitch, cause I'm big time.
No! Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye. Bruh moment.
Yeah, when they see me, they salute to have a juku. Some pink pumps, pink thumbs, and a tooth.
GG, boys. We'll get it next time. Huh? Did you just say I have a beautiful voice? Blah. I literally sound like a tomboy. It's true. I don't have a boyfriend. I'm too much of a dork. I wish I was like other girls. Okay, I'll do it one more time.
This is how I press it. Ah! What
the fuck? Okay, let's play. I want to be Genji.
Calling the police. Hello? Yes, this video right here. Jail time.